Why do we nail bite? Nail biting is a sign of anxiety or stress. Sometimes it's delayed trauma. It is a repetitive behavior that seems to help you cope with the challenging emotions that you have. Now, nail biting actually can also be a sign that you're bored, you are hungry. Nail biting can also be linked with having perfectionism personality type. And you know, perfectionist people are generally people who like things a certain way. Now, to go over one trigger with perfectionism is that having a miscarriage is very traumatic, kind of like a failure of being able to fulfill, whether it be a desire or at least the ability to carry a child. And that can trigger a lot of anxiety and little compulsions that person might have. And like I said, for myself, it would be fiddling with my fingers